Tia back with another video, and today I am going to be making really easy, really simple Christmas gifts on a budget. Okay, so I was thinking about doing just your typical gifts for like your mom, your dad, your brother, siblings, easy things that you can purchase for under 20 bucks. But then I decided I don't have 20 bucks. I wanted to go even cheaper, but something that is creative. And so I said, and I didn't feel like wrapping. I want to wrap anything else. I already wrapped enough gifts for my lifetime. Let me tell you a story really quickly. So there was a time, and I love wrapping gifts, but there was a time where I ended up wrapping up all of my Christmas gifts, and I didn't even know they were my Christmas gifts because someone tricked me. Don't look in this box, just wrap it, and I'll, you know, I'll pay you a few bucks or whatever to do it. I wrapped all my Christmas gifts not even knowing they were mine. So I'm not wrapping Christmas gifts this year. Yes, my kids' gifts, yes, but anyone else, they're getting it in a bag or a mason jar. So I was gonna do baskets, but the really nice baskets can be pricey. Like the basket could be worth more than the gift sometimes. And I didn't feel like really looking to find baskets on a budget. The Dollar Tree baskets are nice, but they're not what I would have wanted. And so with all that being said, I decided to do mason jars. And mason jars come in all shapes, all sizes, different colors. They have brown, they have blue, they have red, they have nice colorful pretty tops. I decided to get the quart size mason jars, and I'm gonna open this up. And I'm going to fill them with a few of the cool gifts that I thought were inexpensive but are nice enough to actually give away. So I just want to show you a few things that I decided to give as gifts that are inexpensive and that could fit inside of a mason jar. An art set for children. So I wanted to do a mason jar just full of things that you would need to not get sick or if you have a little cold. So that's going to be one mason jar. I wanted to do the hot cocoa mason jar. A lot of people will fill this up with hot cocoa. I just wanted to actually have the packets in there so they could do it themselves. Holiday cookie mason jar. I bought some cool stuff to put in there. Face mask, I'm gonna put that in there for the ladies. And then some smell good body spray and lotions. I even thought about the guys. I got some stuff for the guys. Spa set for little girls. So let's put it together. I'm so excited. Let's go. All of this stuff, by the way, cost me under 45 bucks. So this is several gifts and all the stuff that I need to put these gifts together for under 45 bucks. Let's see how many jars we can get out of all this stuff. This is a cool way to give a gift card. So I got a little gift card box holder and I'm putting it into a Starbucks cup because this gift card that is inside of this box is an actual Starbucks gift card. Throwing it in here with one of the cups, and voila. There's one more jar that I would like to make, and it is just a cocktail. So they can use this glass as their holder. All they have to do is take the stuff out, wash it, add ice, and then I'm gonna do pineapple and white rum. So pineapple and rum cocktail. Just like so. Add the top. All they have to do is add ice and those two ingredients, shake, and then they have the perfect cocktail. So now here you can add your decorations and your embellishment to your mason jars. So I actually started to have a pack of different Christmas decorations I could put on. I also have ribbon that I could use for this. There's like a ton on here. I actually took two of these and put them together. On the back it has to and from on both of these. You probably cannot see it right now, but I taped the cute little reindeer to the presents, and I'm gonna just put this on. So what did you think? I didn't get to decorate these as I would like to. You can get different color ribbon, and I just decided to use what I had in my storage unit and in my craft supplies. So I had a lot of burlap from a wedding and some other events that I did. So I used that just to tie it around. I got some name tags that are Christmas oriented. I want to get some more color on here, and I will before I give them out as gifts, but I feel like for the amount of money that I spent and the amount of time that it took to build all these, that these are great gifts to give out for Christmas as stocking stuffers to co-workers. This is the way to go. I didn't have to wrap anything. I literally shoved stuff in a jar, put a top on it, a name tag, and voila. I started adding little decorations on here, if you can see. You can decorate yours any way you like. I decided to just do that off camera just to save time. Literally, it took me probably about 5 minutes to tie all of them and put this on. Gifts done. No wrap, super easy. I hope that you like this. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about this, and if you're gonna do the same idea for your friends and your family. Hey, did you like this video? Do you like my other videos? Remember not only to like and comment, but also subscribe to my channel. Have fun making these, and I'll see you soon.